Okay, now we're going to try and figure out how to find the number of periods if I know everything else. So if I, I'm taking out a loan and I want to know how long that loan is. And to make this a little easier to grasp, I'm going to use the same example we had back here. Taking out a $100,000 loan, interest rate of 12 or 4.5%. It's a 15-year loan. That way, because I need to calculate a payment, and the payment has to be exact in order for the number of periods to come out correctly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically fill in all the same information, except for I'm going to act like I don't know what the number of periods is. That way, when we solve for it, we can check our answer and see if it's going to be 180. So I'm going to use 4.5% interest rate. I'm going to use the payment that I already have calculated up here. I'm going to use the present value. Actually, I'm just going to use them all, so I might as well just do that. Okay. Type 0, future value 0. Okay, so we would have had to found this payment. Some of the problems can give you the payments instead. I just realized that's pretty hard to see. Hold on. The color. Okay, so we know that our loan is $100,000. We know that my payment is $764.99. Present value is 100,000. Future value 0. Type 0. 15 years. Compounds 12 times per year, which is a monthly payment. And I want to know how many periods that's going to be. So if I type in equals NPER, open parenthesis, you'll notice we're going to use all the same variables we used before. Interest rate per period, payment, present value, future value, and type. And once I end, by the way, if you're typing these in, you put commas in between each one. I'm just doing it this way to find what my number of periods are. The answer is 180. If I wanted to pay a little extra on this all the time, and I wanted to change my payment to being $800, you can see that it gets paid off, 68 months sooner? Oh, sorry, negative 800. Because of negative positive numbers here, negative $800 for a payment. It's paid off a year earlier or so, not quite a year. If I made a $1,000 payment instead, it's paid off in 125 months. So quite a bit faster than 180. So that's what like extra payments will do on a loan. So that would be how I find the number of periods.